Now we're going to analyze the data from our second grade favorite ice cream flavor graph. Before we begin, there are a couple of questions that are on this that are going to be asking for us right now that are going to require doing some math equations. So I would like you to go ahead and pause the video, get a sheet of white paper and a pencil or a whiteboard so that you can try solving these problems yourselves. So go ahead and pause the video, and when you're ready, come back and we'll go ahead and get started. Question number 1. Which was the favorite flavor of ice cream for second grade students at Sycamore Creek Elementary? So I'm going to go down to my graph and find the bar that's the longest. Wow, that bar right here at the bottom. Look how long that bar goes. It is much longer than all the other bars on this graph, and that was for cookies and cream. So I'm going to go up here and right beside the answer, cookies and cream. That's very easy to see what we like at Sycamore Creek. Question number 2. How many more students liked chocolate than vanilla? There's the word how many more. And I know whenever it says how many more or how many fewer, I'm comparing. So this is a comparison problem. How many more students like chocolate than vanilla? So I'm comparing chocolate and vanilla. To find out how many more, I need to know how many from this bar, which is 20, up to 40. So I can solve that a couple of ways. Let me get my color here. I can say 20 and count up to 40, or I can find the difference by taking 40 and subtracting 20. Both of those are going to find the same answers. So go ahead and pause the video to solve this problem. And when you're ready, come back and I'll give you the answer. Okay, if you did either one of these solutions, 20 and count up, or 40 and subtract 20, you're going to find the same answer, which is 20 more students. So the difference between this bar for vanilla up to this bar for chocolate is 20. Question number 3, how many students completed the survey? Well, for how many students completed the survey, I need to find the total number of students. So I'm going to add all those numbers together. So I'm going to write 20 plus 40 plus 11 plus 69. Now, I'm going to please pause the video, and I want you to solve that with whatever strategy works best for you. You can draw a number line, you can do mental math by finding the tens, or you can draw your place value blocks with tens and ones. So go ahead and pause and solve the problem, and when you're ready, come back and unpause the video, and I'll give you the answer. Okay. So to find that answer, I did mental math. I know 40 and 20 is 60. I see another 10 right here, that is 70. I'm going to go over here, I see 60, so 70 is 60 is 130. And then I have 1 and a 9, that's another 10. It totals 140. So I hope you were able to find that same answer. 140 students completed the survey. Now for the last question, it says, which is the least favorite flavor of ice cream? So to find the least favorite flavor, I need to find the bar that's the smallest. And when I look over here, that poor little strawberry bar, there wasn't very many of you. So we're going to write strawberry. That was the least favorite flavor. So now you have analyzed the data of this graph. And this is not something that you're going to be seeing on any assessment or anything. This data is a lot higher than anything else that you're going to see, but it was fun to ask a question to the second graders and get to find out a little bit more about our students at Sycamore Creek. So go ahead and move on to the next slide.